PIVX. How to get a wallet. Browser version. My PIVX wallet. Step 1. Setup. First, go to mypivxwallet.org. Next, click Launch Wallet App. Create a new wallet. Step 2. Seed phrase. Write seed phrase in a secure private place. No second chances to write this down. Do not share this with anyone. It's the master keys to your wallet. Step 3. Encrypt wallet. Enter password twice. Encrypting your wallet with a password is the second level of security, allowing access to your browser wallet. Note, try to choose a password with capitals, numbers, symbols, and letters. Step 4. Explore. Congrats on your new wallet. The wallet will immediately start syncing. You are now ready to trade, shield, earn, and much more. Next steps. To view more how-to videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.
Yeah.